Hello, welcome back to the channel. I've been getting some really neat things in lately, and I want to share one of those with you right now. This is going to be the Byberry camping knife. So let's go over a couple of these functions. First of all, we have the knife. This is going to be a combo blade, and there's a couple secret functions, well, not really secret, but added functions that you're not going to expect. So let's go ahead, take some time, look over the knife. And let's see how sharp this is. Let's try the serrated portion right here first. And, well, not as impressive as I would have hoped. Not sure if I got, there we go. It does go through. Let's try that again on this paracord. So we've got 1, 2, 3, and I'm not just, okay. So when you get a good grip, it does work. But the knife, let's try that on some paper. Let's see how that works. All right, so that seems to work pretty good, the knife portion. I like that part of it. So Byberry puts out some pretty unique tools, and I'm always fascinated by what they come up with on many of their tools. So we've got the knife on the one side, and then check this out. This actually comes with 2 flashlights. So we've got this flashlight right here, and I know this is daytime, so it's hard to tell, but these are actually pretty bright, and it comes with one on the other side. So we've got this side, and we've got this side. And then how you access this, when you get this new in the package, it's sealed, so it's not going to be working right away. So there's a tiny plastic film in between these batteries, so they save them. And then you just pop this tray back in there, and you've got these lights as well. All right, so we've got the knife. We've got a really nice flashlight. I would say these are about 20 lumens, maybe a little bit more. Not super bright, but still pretty nice for the size of flashlight. And then, check this out. We have got a lanyard attachment. No, not really. We have got a 4mm screwdriver. That's what makes this multi-tool, to me, really unique. So we have got these bits here, interchangeable bits. So we've got the Phillips, the straight, and then we've got a smaller set right here as well. Now, these don't hold in real well. They are fairly loose. So that's probably something where you might want to, I don't know, wrap a piece of tape around this or get a magnet. That's one of the downsides. But one of the positives is this has a really strong lock. So this is the lock right here. Well, not a lock, the back spring. And so this right here feels so much better than the Gerber armbar. I mean, it is night and day. This almost reminds me of the Leatherman Bond in that it doesn't have a lock, but it almost does. This really keeps in place very well. So it's a little disappointing that the detent on here really doesn't keep these in. You might try some other 4mm bits. They might work better. But as far as a screwdriver itself, it really holds in there securely. So I wanted to mention this to you, and I'm going to do a review in the future where we pit a couple of the smaller knife-style multi-tools together. But I thought this was a fantastic deal. This is going for somewhere around $7 to $9 right now on Amazon. You get a flashlight, you get the knife, you get the screwdriver, and yes, you do get this lanyard loop if that's something that is really important to you. I guess that sort of is there because you don't have a pocket clip, but you do have the lanyard loop as well. So this is the Byberry camping knife is what it's listed at. This is the number down here if you need that. And again, the functions are the cutter, the LED light switch, key ring, screwdrivers. So really great tool. Encourage you to check that out. I'll try to leave a link below in the video. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.